Hi everybody. Today I want to talk about this plastic fastener kit. It's a 240 piece. It's from Pittsburgh, so you get this at Harbor Freight. And this guy usually it fits, anything, a door trim, radiator shields, yank, fender, bender, bumper, splash shield retainers, replacement for Ford, GM, Chrysler, Toyota, Honda, and more. So you get this for like $18 at Harbor Freight. Sometimes they do have with a coupon, you get it less than that. The model number for this guy is 57671, and it does have a lot of sizes. So here we got a quarter, 23 by 64, 5/16, 9 by 32 inch, 25 by 64, another 25 by 64, another one, 2 more actually. Here's 2 more, 5/16, 23, 64. 5/16 and a quarter. And they do have a lot of sizes, 20 pieces for each one. Not bad. I did use a few of them, the 5/16 by 8, this size here. I used a few of them on my mom's car. I had to replace an alternator. Some of the clips were kind of, starting to fall off and stuff, so I got these for her. I would highly recommend, if you have cars, like old cars, like we have cars like over 20 years or older a little bit. They're really reliable cars. I mean, we got a bunch of Fords, except for one of them was kind of, people always talk about, but all the other cars are good. So I bought these for all those cars, and sometimes we do jobs, or somebody does something, they bring it back without the, they do something, they don't return, at least they don't replace these, they just, So I bought this set for that, and the good thing is later down the road, when this is like when I run low on these, maybe, and it's kind of rare, I use these, kind of really rare. I'm just gonna have them around. Maybe in 3 years I'll replace them again. But this is not bad. You break one, you can go to Harbor Freight, get a box of these for $18, so you can probably find the size you're looking for in here. Not a bad kit to have. It's really good, and later if you use so many of them, maybe later you can use this little box to store in some more screws or something in here, which I'm noticing the guy doesn't want to close, but this is a good set so far. Not expensive. You can find it cheaper sometimes at Harbor Freight, so if you are interested in looking for some, I recommend going to these, because usually when you buy a little box of them full of like 4 of them, you usually go for like maybe $6 just for that pack. Instead, save yourself, buy this pack, and maybe there's a high possibility you can use it for your car or anything, Since I do have to use it on my mom's car, I have to do one more operation to fix up her windshield wipers. The motor works, but the little adapter doesn't work, so I ordered the whole motor and the little adapter. I'm putting a new motor and everything for her, so she doesn't have to struggle anymore. And I'm gonna save the other motor that it had. I'm gonna store it and everything, so when that one goes out, I'll use that. So far it's, I've been using this, and I know I'm probably gonna break some, but if I do, I got this set to replace those that are broken. You don't want that splash shield, later down the road. You put a couple clips that are kind of old or broken or whatever, later down the road, you could be driving down the road, pops off, and it could rip up the whole entire thing, which that's not what we want. So I'm gonna, fix that up, and I'm gonna use these in case I break any. I know she's missing some since she's been taking a mechanic to fix some issues. Like there was an issue with the serpentine belt. They kept on popping off the plastic like twice and been breaking them. So when I'm gonna do the little job here, fixing her windshield wiper little thing, I will be inserting this, inserting these guys, replacing the parts that I've been breaking, so she can at least have her car really well. It's sometimes better that you fix your cars by yourself than hire someone to do it if it's possible, because at the long run, if they're your cars, you are the ones that are going to fix it up, and nobody else is going to screw that up. You're the one. If something happens, it's basically going to you. But if the mechanic screws up, it's going to go to the mechanic. And yeah, I usually don't like letting people touch my cars that much unless it's something I can't do. And you can't always rely on the mechanics. Sometimes they say, yeah, I'll fix it in 2 days, and I have an issue with my truck. It's been sitting for like 2 months and it has not been done. Finally, I talked to the guy, hey, you're gonna do it? He says, give me another 3 months. Like, that's too long. you told me you were fixing in a week, and now it's gonna go for 3 months. So instead, I picked it up, sent another mechanic to fix it up in the next day, and they finished it. It did cost me a lot more than with this guy, but still, he should have finished it in like easily in a month. I was gonna give him 2 months to max. Those 2 months came and nothing has done. All it did was just took off the cover, and that was it. I'll go into more detail on another video about it once it's time. So yeah, this is a good set. I would highly recommend it. You know, not expensive in my opinion. It's way better than going to AutoZone or whatever. So yeah, this is a better set. All right, thanks for watching, and have a good day.